Hi everyone, welcome back to Heavenly Days. Listen, thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. I'm really thankful. I love y'all, Miwan Bamina, for real. Now, before the video starts, I'm not a certified, disclaimer, I'm not a certified teacher. Recently I posted a video and it's been happening and I'm gonna do it the best way that I can. Sometimes and ramble as I need to have what structure. So if these videos are not for you, shem no gombela. Don't even dislike, don't even like, don't even just click out of the video. Okay, episode 7. I am so excited about this because a lot of people always ask, what are you wearing? What is that? How do you use it? Personally, I feel embarrassed. I don't know how to dance. Let me show you the clip so you can understand what I don't know what he was doing there, but I can give him at least one for effort, Just to go through our attire, incheka, ina masandas, even then you Xibelani, yele. Some people decide to wear like it doesn't have to be that, but I'm talking about the entire outfit. So Xibelani is like a wraparound skirt. Yeah, it's a wraparound skirt. The weight of it's a little bit like heavy, but it depends on the material that has been put in it. Some are like very light, like Shama Josie wears those like light ones, like they've been made by wools, and I think this is just a clothing. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, yeah, correct me down below if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Yeah, and then yele shkipa, like normal, it's like a good material. Yeah, you can design it in any way that you want. Sandazi iteki, like it's just another thing that I like is duku. I'm like a duku person, like I just want to like put it on and just have a good life because it just makes life easier. But these days because I feel like it's a good accessory to have, to be quite honest with you. Like this, you can also kind of like tie it here. You can, I feel like a lot of people use maduku, yeah, even if you're not like Xitsonga or anything like that. Now we're gonna go, guys, and we are going to just leave it here. But I promise you, I'm gonna in December somewhere they got at the events again and then we actually do the tutorial. You're probably gonna see me dancing. I told myself I'm not going to get married before but otherwise, stay safe and keep well. Bye.